Present the AVLP4-1000, and we will guide you through the assembly of the lifter parts and the parking station. This is the parking station, designed to store the vacuum lifter, ensuring the safety of the vacuum pads. Assembly is quite straightforward. Next, we'll use a screw gun to disassemble the bolts and assemble the vacuum lifter 1000. Place the vacuum system within the parking station. Then utilize the crane mobile to connect the body to the vacuum system. With the help of an Allen key, fasten the bolts to guarantee their tightness. Affix the string beams onto the crossbar. Subsequently, connect the vacuum pads, equipped with brackets, to the string beam. To conclude, connect the orange air hose to the air hose button found on the cylinder, and then secure the air hoses, which are mounted on the vacuum box, to the vacuum pads, effectively completing the assembly process.